So far it's not going too good right now. We just got out the room. We're gonna go to the bar. Why don't we go? Where you? I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah, so we just left the room. We're gonna go to the bar, get a drink for the adults, and then go back. Hello. So, Karan, why are we walking all the way around? Karan, why don't you just go through the pool? Now you gotta walk through the sand because you went past the door. So, it's not going good. It's not going good. Let's just...
Whoa! I didn't know that!
Let's just say
I did not know
we're
that.
leaving this hotel tomorrow morning.
I don't think
Let's say that. So right now we're just gonna go to the bar, grab a drink, pina colada or something. I don't know what they got. Go back to the room, chill, and then pack up and get ready to leave tomorrow morning. So,
You tell them about my part?
oh, so all this drama. So
I've had this phone for
Damion
a
has
year without a case.
had this phone for about a year without a case. Coming out the room to go to the bar, the phone falls on the floor. Now
Never had a broken phone.
usually it falls and I'm like whatever, right? But today it fell and the screen was like this and I was like, dang, it ain't cracked because it was a loud fall. But guess what?
Mommy!
It did crack. The back cracked. So
Mommy!
yes,
I accidentally ate a drink of the ring.
it's okay. So that's that. So yeah. So this is the pool area. Very nice pool area. This is the reason why, another reason why I booked the hotel. You had got like the little play kitty area over there, then you got a pool right here. The pool is very clean. I like how everything was outdoors, so you didn't have to go into like the actual hotel. No corridors, no hallways. But baby, the room, I'll pass. I'll pass.
If I do that same drink, then you put in like 2 seconds. So far.
So I put it there.
I promise improvement.
Why is there a fish in the shark?
I promise.
I'm not saying that.
Sharks eat meat and fishes have meat.
Thankfully, I didn't choose this hotel. I just paid for it.
You
She would
also
have been cussing me out.
didn't vet the hotel.
You normally do that.
Anyways,
Gosh, and
it is the next morning, and we are heading. We just
fish tail is going to touch the shark.
It's so bright, I
Checked
can't
out.
see. Yeah, it's the next morning, and we just checked out of that hotel, and we are headed to another hotel. And I look crazy on this camera.
Heading to another hotel.
Well, that's the hotel.
That's
We're
the
gonna
hotel.
live there.
Pretty much,
What about
the hotel was a motel. Yes, it had a beautiful exterior. Yes, if you are just going to sleep there, it's a great place to be.
Not even that. My back hurt.
Yeah, it was.
The
The beds were hard, and you can literally hear the spring on the bed when you sit on the bed. It goes. And I promise you, like the bed was falling apart because the bottom of the bed was like it was falling apart.
The pictures online were completely different from what was there.
Yeah, the beautiful edited pictures online was awesome.
I didn't spell it.
Like I said, the pool was beautiful.
Exterior. The bar was good.
Yeah, the exterior was good. The bar was good. Even the little chicken fries from the restaurant was good. But, and the people, the workers, they don't wear masks. So if you are like, if you care about the health of your family.
Yeah, the bar staff didn't have masks on. The person at the front desk did, but I didn't see nobody else with masks.
The bar and the restaurant didn't have no mask on, so we had to go. Okay. Alright, so we have arrived at our new hotel. Hopefully they let us check in early because it's 10 o'clock. The other hotel had checkout at 12, but guess what? We couldn't wait till 12, so we're gonna go in here and check in. And see how their procedures are. The other hotel, yeah, ain't no temperature checks, ain't none of that good stuff. So let's see what the procedures are for here. Hi Carson, are you excited?
Yeah.
To go to this hotel. We want to go back to the other one.
I'm excited to go in this hotel.
Welcome to Surfside. I'm going to take everyone's temperature from the side of your head, okay?
No problem.
And I'm going to give you guys these awesome wristbands. These wristbands let you come in and out without getting stopped.
Thank you.
They also let you bypass temperature screenings at the theme parks as well, okay?
Hold it. I'll put it on your head.
She didn't check him. How you get up now? Thank you.
Perfect.
Thank
All right.
you.
They do change out every day though, so just make sure you come and see us every morning.
Okay.
Thank you.
And then check-in's right over there.
Thank you.
Your mask first.
Damion is checking in. I'm gonna walk around. So I think I'm gonna say this hotel opened up in March. That's what I heard on a few other videos. I want to say open in March. If not, it opened this year. But we are at the Endless Summer Resort, the Surfside at Universal, and here is. So this, yeah, this is the lobby. This is the lobby. That is check-in. Right now, there are 2 people checking in. Got a little sitting area over there. Sitting areas over here. Over here as well. Some nice little sitting areas. There is a Starbucks in the lobby. It's right over here. I'm about to go in a minute. Starbucks is right here, and the entrance is right here. So yeah, pretty cool. I think it's a restaurant here somewhere, but we'll get to that part in a little bit. So once we check in, we gotta go park the car, and then probably gonna go eat. After we check in, we're gonna go eat. We just wanted to make sure we could check in early since we were leaving the other hotel in a hurry. So yeah. Off bat, the first difference from this hotel and the first hotel, everybody has on a mask. Ooh, employees and guests, they all have on masks. Shocking. Yeah. The hotel is a mess. Here I went, trying to be cautious and say, let me get the rooms where, you know, it's outside. You don't have to go inside of a building to get to your room. 'Cause it's fresh air. It ain't worth it. It ain't worth it, guys. Do your research before you go in these hotels during this pandemic, because cheaper isn't always better. So I feel cleaner at this moment. He got Krispy Kreme. I feel cleaner at this moment and safer. So ready to see what this hotel has to offer. Oh yeah, and then right outside here, this is the lobby entrance. Right over here is the entrance, looks like, to the pool. Do you see the pool?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna go there later.
Later today, right?
If you guys are wondering, as far as location, where this resort, I'm not gonna call it a hotel, it's an Inn Suites. Where this location is actually in the same exact spot of same exact spot of where Wet n Wild used to be before they tore it down. So, yeah.
So let's go. We're on Tower 2.
What floor?
6.
Ooh, we on the 6th floor. We went from the first floor to the 6th floor. Also, there's hand sanitizers everywhere on the walls. But don't worry, we travel with our own hand sanitizer. Alright, so now we're gonna get our bags, take it to the room, and then let these kids eat something, and then figure out what to do after that.
Keep going.
You don't even wait. You just
Welcome home, guys.
There's a kitchen and a dining room.
Right, Carson? There's a table and chairs that we all can eat at.
There's another bedroom here.
What?
There's another bedroom.
Another bedroom?
Yes.
What the? What you?
Surprise!
No wonder so much money. No wonder you. I was like, why is the total really high? You did an upgrade. He paid too much. That wasn't in the budget. Anyways, guys, we are at our new hotel, guys. Who's
Don't touch nothing.
happy? Like before we do get into what we're here for. Let's do a quick room tour. While Damion cleans.